By the end of this level, Claude will know your work, not in a vague way. It gets a workspace with your files on the shelf, standing instructions it follows in every conversation, page of notes about you it carries everywhere. You'll have built all of that around your actual job. You'll keep using it long after this course. That's the deal of level 0. Welcome to level 0 of Claude for everyone. Everything in this level works on the free plan, no exceptions. The level's promise is in its name, chat properly. Most people use about 5% of this tool. 8 short videos from now, that stops being you. Here's the path. First, understand the machine. One video on what Claude actually is, because every habit in this course falls out of that mental model. Then get a real result. You'll bring one document from your own work. In 10 minutes, Claude does something genuinely useful with it. After that, we'll name the pattern you just used so you can repeat it on demand. Then material and outputs. You'll feed Claude files the right way and see the 4 ways it hands work back, including real Excel and Word files. Then the build. You'll create a project, your second brain, files on a shelf, rules that stick, memory that carries. The last video wraps the level with a short quiz, 1 question per video. One thing to do before the next video, pick a real document from your work. A messy one is perfect. If you'd rather practice on sample files, the download link below has a starter set for your kind of work. First stop, what this thing actually is. The one weakness you have to respect before you trust it with anything. See you there.